catch the scent.
Oh, smells good.
Chilling on the hood where all the time gets spent. From the